Good day everyone, welcome to another video. So today what I will be showing on this channel is I'll be showing project building. So I'll be explaining that and giving important advice. So um, first I want to thank everybody who has followed me on LinkedIn. So thank you very much. And I'll be giving very important advice today. So please, I want you to be very, very attentive. Those advice are very important, and I know they have advice that I can say has helped me a lot. So, and I know, although I don't know everything, but I'm still working to improve also, as everyone is. So all I can say is it will help everyone to improve. So I will say is they are very important advice. They are very, very important. So today, like I said, project building. Let's look at a quick overview. Building a tech project, whether it's an app, website, game, or automation tool, can be one of the most fulfilling parts of being a programmer. So building projects is very fulfilling. I can say it's fulfilling because it helps you know that what you've known it. So, and it gives you confidence to be able to address many things, to do many things. So those are very important things. However, getting started and staying on track requires strategy, knowledge of tools, and awareness of common mistakes. So it requires a lot of strategy. So you need to meet with the right people in order to get the correct strategy. This guide provides all you need to know about building, coding, programming, tech projects, essential tools, platforms, and project ideas and communities to help you succeed. So let's look at number one. What you need to know before building a project. What are the things you need to know? Number one, have a clear purpose. Know the why behind your project. So the question I'll ask is, why are you building it? You need to know why you are building it, unless it's not something important. Unless you just have to know that it's something that you need to know. That's why you are building it. You know it's something you need the ability to do. So and that's why because as you are building a project, it's more like you are learning. Because if you cannot build anything with what you've learned, it's still more like you don't know it. So building projects helps you to show the evidence that you have learned. So that's the essence of building projects. Have a clear purpose, know the why behind your project. Is it to solve a problem, learn a new skill, build a portfolio, or create something useful? Start small. Begin with a minimum viable product scale as needed. Plan your stack. Yes, plan your stack. Choose your technology stack. Is it front end, back end, database, deployment, based on your familiarity and project goals? So that is important. Time management. Set milestones and deadlines to avoid burnout and keep progressing. Number two, common mistakes to avoid. Overbuilding too soon. Trying to add too many features early will slow you down. Yes, to slow you down. So don't try to be the best in one day. You can't be the best in one day, but over time, you become the best. Okay. Skipping documentation. Write clean code and leave comments and document your project. So what this is saying is, many people when they start learning programming or they start creating projects, they will feel like they just need to just need to do this, that. That's what will help them to grow. The essence behind writing comments is it will help others to be able to understand what you wrote. So it will help you to be able to work with other people whenever they are building different things. So that's the essence of. So another advantage of commenting is it will help your code to be clean. That is, what it means is, as you are building something now, if you just build and add all the code together, you yourself won't understand when you leave and come back. So, and the meaning of a clean code is that when you come back, it will be well organized. So, and if you can say it's organized, that means you were able to identify it well when you go there. So that's what it means. That's why you have to add comments most of the time. So, and that's why it's very important. So that's important. So leave comments, yes, and document your project, especially if you plan to share or collaborate. Now, ignoring user experience, that's UX. So that's another point. So make it usable. Simple and intuitive interfaces matter than fancy features. Yes, so when you are focusing on fancy features, that it must be beautiful. So also ensure that it is working, that when somebody comes to it, he can do anything on it, that as he touches this, maybe touches nav bar, it will work, touches anything, it will work. So that matters a lot. So that's what will make it sure that the site is okay and that it's working. So now, poor version control, always use Git. Commit often, use meaningful commit messages. Not testing enough. So always ensure you test your code thoroughly to avoid bugs later on. So number 3, we have tools and platforms for project building. Tools and platforms for project building. So now, project planning. For project planning, the tools you can use are, you can use Trello or Notion. Trello or Notion is good for task planning and future tracking. You can use Figma too. It's also good for UI UX, wireframes and design planning. So now, coding and development. For coding and development, you can use VS Code. VS Code is a lightweight editor that can be used anywhere. So that's the meaning of extensible. It can be used anywhere. That's VS Code. Git and GitHub is for version control and collaboration. What's the meaning of version control? Version control means like it helps to control the version, helps to control the code. That what I mean is by version control is more like when you put HTML now, you put JS. So it will identify that this JS, identify that this HTML. So and it will also, it can help you to, it's more like it can help you to store your code. Many things you can do with code. So that's the simple way I can explain it. So I might still explain it better, but for now, that's the meaning of version control. So it helps you to be able to collaborate. So it helps for collaboration also. So now let's CodePen. Yes, I've used CodePen. Like I've used CodePen before. So and I also want to say something before I continue. If you are wondering since when I've been dealing with coding, so I started coding in 2021. Just giving the history about myself. I started coding in 2021, so that's why I can say many things like I've worked with this, I've done this, I've done that. It doesn't necessarily mean that the person has maybe worked with client or clinical. So, but let's still leave that for now. Let's still leave that for now. Although I've still have client kind of experience, but let's still leave that for now. Let's leave that. But what I can say specifically is that I improved over time. So that's why there are some code that I can just explain. without even going deep into it. So some people that are surprised, that's why. So I don't want you to be shocked or surprised. It's because I've been long in it, I've been working with it, and I know God too has really helped me to. And there are also some communities that I'm on to, so that I contribute to, we assist. So and I still have people mentoring me too. So those are just the basic things. These are ways that you grow. These are ways you improve. Even though me too, I'm also improving. So and that's just it. That's just it. So like I said, code pen is very good. Code pen is very good. It helps you to, as you are writing your code, we check the output. You will see it directly as you are writing it. So it's codepen.io online. So that's CodePen. So and we have some other ones, Replete or Glitch. So that's another two. So now let's look at deployment platforms. Okay, let me really do something now. I'll do something very quick. Okay, so now we have Render or Railway. So that one is used for full stack apps and databases. So we have GitHub Pages. GitHub Pages is used for portfolios and documentation. So that's what GitHub Pages is used for. So now we have for design and assets. So what does this mean? What does design and assets mean? So whenever you are building anything, there are specific times that you need to design something. And why do you always need to design something? You always need to design something because maybe what you are building, you need a design, maybe a background design or whatever you are doing. It can even be an animation. So it's based on what you are dealing with. So and that's the reason why you need design always. That's why you always need design. So now we have Canva. Canva is very good. Canva is very good, but mostly it's always used for banner designs. So that's what it's always used for. Thumbnails and thumbnails. Maybe you have a video now and you want to put thumbnail. So those are the things Canva is really used for. I don't really use Canva much, but it's also useful. It's very, very useful. So we have a Recon or Flaticon. So those ones are used for icons, different icons. That's what those ones are used for. And we have Unsplash or Pixels. So those ones are used for high quality images. If you need high quality images, those are what that is used for. So now other essentials, we have Postman for API testing. We have Firebase or Supabase for backend. So and now for backend, and finally now we have CapCut. So those ones are used for video content. So now let's look at some project ideas. Some project ideas that you can use. So for a beginner, if you are a beginner, you can work on to-do app, weather app using an API. You can work on personal portfolio website. So and you can also work on calculator, and you can work on Markdown previewer. So personally, I would say I've done most of this. So and all I can say is sorry I'm cutting up. It's just something important I have to attend to. So now we have to-do app. You can build a to-do app. So like I said, I've built many of all these things. So what I can say is what you just need more is collaborate. So if not, you just be confused. After trying it, collaborate, go online, ask people, or even if you can't ask, just go online, check what other people have done. You can check CodePen. Those ones always have good things. Just search for it, so you can check what other people have done. So these are ways to improve faster and better. So now, for intermediate, we have e-commerce store, chat app, so blog platform. You can build blog platform too. Budget tracker, flashcard, learning app. So now for advanced, somebody that is experienced, that has gone far, has already learned everything, is already an expert. So most of the things they deal with, so they build AI powered chatbots like ChatGPT. So the things they build, but don't see it as impossible. It's very possible. It's very, very possible. So you just have to be diligent, continue building, be diligent and be focused, and always follow up. Don't leave things undone. So, and keep going back to it, keep trying. So, and I promise you that if you trust God in everything you are doing, you will not have issue. That's just what I can see. Even though me too, I'm not perfect, but that's just what I can see. So real-time collaboration too. So that's another project they build. Another one, task management board like Trello. That's a website online. Maybe one of these, or I can show you after we're done. I'll just go online and search for Trello, or you can search it. But I'll search for it. Trello. Once I'm done, I'll search for Trello. Video sharing platform. So that's another one. A video sharing platform is a platform like YouTube. We all know YouTube. YouTube is a platform that provides you videos. You go there, you watch any video you want to watch. So, and finally, we have content management systems. What's content? It means like a medium whereby people maybe write ups or still like videos also. So those are the kind of things that experts build. So don't feel devastated if you are not able to build any of this yet. Just keep trying and keep testing. It's not impossible. As at this stage now, I can say I've built many of the intermediate projects now. So I won't call myself advanced, but I would say I've built many of the intermediate projects now. So but let's leave that for now. But I'll say just continue, don't stop. That's how to do it. And if you have things that maybe take your time, take your day, just give it daily assignment, or how would I put it? Always have it in mind that you have this as part of your doing, and you will continue doing it and continue trying. So, and I know that with God, nothing is impossible. So now we have number 5. We have communities to collaborate with. We have GitHub. Go on GitHub and collaborate with people. So we have Ashnode. We have Dev.to. Those are communities you can go to and join people online. We have Reddit. We have Discord communities. We have Twitter. You can check on our final advice now. This is the final advice I have. This I have on this channel. Build in public. I'm not saying build in public like always try to allow people see you, but what I can say is build in public, meaning like always don't be shy to show people your work. Yes, don't be shy. But what I can now say is don't be shy to show the right people, or don't be shy to show someone that will not castigate you. Or I'll just say just be yourself. That's all. Just be yourself. I won't say more than that. That's just best. Be yourself. Be yourself. That's the way to help. That's the way to help one another. Is let's just be ourselves and let's focus more on improvements. That's the way to improve. That's the way to improve. So thank you so much if you have been with us to this level. So thank you so much. So also you need to know, learn by doing, so, and document everything. So if you have been with us to this level, thank you so much. I'm saying very big thank you. So, and I said I was going to show you Trello. Let me quickly do that before I leave. Trello. So don't forget to subscribe, everyone. Like the video and subscribe. It won't take much of your time. If you have truly liked this video, please subscribe. I can't get the site now, but maybe in some other videos I'll show you. If you comment, too, or if you don't comment, I won't say more than that. So please subscribe, everyone. Like the video, share. Please do so. It helps to improve. It also gives me the confidence that you guys are watching, and also gives me the confidence that you guys understand what I'm saying. So thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe.